channel. For today's video, we're here at Chuson Hill in Deepwater Bay, that one. So guys, before here, magsugod ta sa Central Bus Station. Basta tanahan lang ninyo ang video guys, and then makita ninyo kung paun sa mag-anhi dire, okay? Guys, sorry, wako ka-enter dito sa kani Central Exit A. Yeah, di ka dito guys mag-walking sa IFC Mall ni no, downstairs. No? It's like that. You see that guys, the Central there kato. Then mo ana ra diha sa bridge. Then mo na og dere escalator. Then this one Kunat Road Central. Kunat. That one Central. Then here we're looking for the bus number.
Pwede siyang 6X, 6A, 74, and some.
So pwede siyang 6X, 6A, or 74, something like that. So let's see guys, let's see kung asa mi makasakay. Guys, we take the bus number 6X. Kay diri mi muna.
Pwede po siya 6A.
Actually guys, pwede sa siya sa 6A. Kay
diri man tamag na og sa
Deepwater Bay. Basta Deepwater Bay guys kana. Deepwater Bay, this one. Deepwater Bay. Ah, that one. So pwede siya 6A, pwede siya 6X. But today, maybe
6X.
mag 6X may kay mo'y naguna. So maglinya na mi. Ay, so guys, nisakay mi sa 6X. Nakasakay namin sa bus. Okay, so basta muna og ta sa Deepwater Bay. See you there. So guys, hapit na mi. Kay nagkuan na sa Deepwater Bay na. So pag-abot sa bus station, magkuan mi. Baba na mi. Guys, diri mo muna og aning bus station. This one. Right, 6X man ang gisakyan. So, here. Kani. Yan. So, diri mo na guys. Sa Deepwater Bay Bus Station. Human, mutabok guys. Kay maside swipe. Maside swipe mo sa dito nga area. Supposed to be here. Kay na siya pang kuan, agianan sa tao. From Mutabok, mubalik mo sa Agi. So here. Then pangitaon ni mo ni siya kani nga intersection. Yes. Kani nga intersection Deepwater Bay Road. Kani siya. Dili man ta, di ba? So mo ni siya nga intersection guys, imong pangitaon. Basta mubalik mo sa Agi, walking.
Inay. Okay. Samukan.
Guys, diri mo. Aning na itubig nga nagilig. So, ani. So, from that intersection, then mo ani diri. Naglisan nagtabok dito guys, as in kay daghang kay siya sakyanan. Wala siya pedestrian lane. So, guys, what a nice place. My God. Look. Ang ilang mga apartment. I don't know, condo or what. Nasa bukid. Ayaw mo ka-confuse guys. Oh.
Diri ka para
Here.
okay.
Don't be confused. Nainani, nainana, dinhi sa right. Okay? Tapos
Yeah. Nay ribbon. Wait lang. Have a car.
yan. Nasa ribbon. Go up. Okay. Guys, tungas na may, mukatkat na. Katkat na may sugot. Libon ka siya. Ha? You really don't get lost because you can see a lot of ribbon here. See, there's a colorful ribbon, sometimes red, sometimes yellow green, sometimes blue. It's like that. Okay. So guys, kinahanglan ka mo agian ng mga putang. Okay. Okay. Yes. Mana ang trigonometric. Guys, this is it. It's so near. It's really 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on your walk. In the speed of your walk. So dito man may ganina naglisod atong intersection. Kato? Diyan may naglisod og tabok earlier. So dito may ninaog. Now that we're here, you can see the place. It's really nice. See that? Really, really nice. You can see it by your two eyes. So, here, look at this. Look at, ayan. Wow. Woo. Whoa. Yes. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh my God, guys. Chuson Hill.
Chuson Hill in Stanley's Ideal Water Bay. So guys, I'm gonna show you
The view. See that? Look, guys. Here. Oh, that is the Ocean Park. Wow. Di nakita ninyo na guys kanang nagdagan-dagan kana. Mao na ang cable car. Pasensya pag ngit-ngit. Pobre ra man gud atong cellphone. So mao ni siya ang imong palibot. See? This is the Deep Water Bay Beach. See that, guys? What an amazing view! Wow! Guys, that's all for today's video. Look at my behind. Oh, akong palibot. It's so nice to be here. See? So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for always watching. See you next time. Bye. Love you all.